Welcome to Forex Trend Atlas. Each weekend, we focus on the big picture, from the quarterly down to the daily charts, using well-known technical tools. The higher time frames, like the quarterly and monthly charts, usually change slowly. So you can also check my previous videos for reference when needed. Now, let's begin with this week's outlook. Now, let's take a look at the weekly chart. On this time frame, we can draw an upward trend channel. The highs have been gradually declining since July 2024, allowing us to draw this descending trend line within the broader rising channel. Last weekend, the candlestick body broke above this descending trend line. This breakout signals a return to the broader uptrend, making 158, the level that was widely watched at the end of 2024, the next upside target. However, since the rise from September has been extended, a short-term correction remains possible. This could present an opportunity to build long positions at more favorable levels. In such a scenario, the 23.6% retracement near 151 and the 38.2% retracement around 149 are important levels to keep in mind. From a long-term bullish perspective, establishing long positions around these areas would be ideal. Next, let's turn to the daily chart. On the daily time frame, we can draw an uptrend line originating from April. Last week, price clearly broke above the recent high around 154.4 and closed near 154.5, confirming the continuation of the short-term uptrend. If this upward move continues, key resistance levels to watch are 156.3 and 158. However, the rally from early October has formed a wedge-like structure, suggesting that a short-term pullback is still reasonably possible. In that case, the 151 and 149 levels become notable downside targets. With last weekend's breakout above the long-respected descending trend line on the weekly chart, market sentiment has shifted toward a bullish bias across both short and long-term perspectives. Targeting 156.3 or 158 as short-term objectives is a valid approach, but waiting for a corrective pullback to secure a more advantageous entry is also a sound strategy. I hope this analysis helps guide your trade planning. Let's stay focused this week, avoid being influenced by short-term volatility, and continue approaching the market from a long-term perspective. Thank you for watching today's analysis. If you found it helpful, please subscribe and click the like button. Let's continue to approach the markets with patience and discipline. See you in the next outlook.